Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing this Hot Wheels package that I bought from an online store. The Hot Wheels that I purchased are all from the early year of 2000 and late 90s. Before I unbox this package, if you happen to live in Indonesia and would like to check the store that I bought the Hot Wheels from, be sure to check their store out. They sell some really good quality Hot Wheels. Their link will be in the description. Anyways, without further ado, let's unbox this package and see what's inside. Okay, first we got this green race car called Panoz LMP-1 Roadster. Next up in metallic green, we got Jaguar XK8. And here we got Chrysler Thunderbolt in black. And last but not least, we got Dodge concept car in pearl line.